I'm gonna pull another prank on the public broadcasting service. I'm gonna blast some really loud music. Ha 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 ha. Oh, here he comes. Oh my god! What's that music? Ah, my ears! Ah, stop! Make it stop! Make it stop! Make it stop! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, 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 you can stop. Okay, you can stop now. You, hey, are you okay? Because you was hear some really loud music. Oh god. Man, I always get pranked every single time. Hey, I'm sorry. I gotta prank you. I gotta prank you. I'm bored. I'm sorry. I am bored because I need to do a prank on you. So yeah, I'm bored. Yeah, so I had to prank you. So yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.